you can feel accepted.
Ayan, follow up lang dahil nandito na ang ating mga Sajid boys. Can you introduce yourself first?
Hello guys, I am Kieran. I'm cosplaying Ivy.
Hello everyone, my name is Alexander. I'm cosplaying Baby Sandra.
Wow, so may performance din ba kayo mamaya? Or I like for cosplay purposes
Okay, so if you have any vlogs for next coming events or anything that you want to showcase?
So you can follow us on all social media platforms, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and anything you name it at icon_ph. And for upcoming performances, it will be a surprise, but just stay tuned on our pages. Yeah, so just stay tuned on our page and we will be posting for more performances and upcoming events.
I have just a follow-up question. Do the Sajid boys will have like also their performance as well? I mean, in the next, like a group. Do you have a group of Sajid boys?
Yes, if you look at our page, we have been performing as Sajid boys with 2 additional members, and you can just visit our page to watch that performance. But unfortunately, we're not going to be performing because the main showcase for today is the 100 girls. So
yes, I really love your performance for today. Yes, can we have a photo opportunity with them with Icon?
Let's take a photo with Icon.
Let's take a photo
Thank
opportunity.
you again for being here with us. Sana na-enjoy nila yung Chasing Victory so far.
Yes.
We're very glad.
Actually, I wanted to add something. If you want to go talk with us, take pictures with us, you can visit our booth by the right side of the stage. From our point of view, by the right side of the stage, we're selling pins, stickers, ID laces, and we're actually selling